Hello and welcome to the Cat Cave Machine Shop. We hope you enjoyed the content of our channel. Thank you for stopping in. The last project we worked on was a pipe bender die for AG trucks. To build his roll cages for his vehicles. There will be a link below to his site, and we're going to show a few clips of the work on the milling machine. Welcome back. So the project for AG trucks, which was the die for the pipe bender for his roll bars for his vehicles, we've done the work, we've modified his die. There was issues with the bending of the pipes, which we've fixed. If you want to see the results of this, you will have to click on the link below for AG Trucks to see his work that he's doing on his machines. It's very impressive. So our customer has brought this piece of stainless steel to make a cannon. We have some diagrams and measurements to build this cannon. However, we have an issue with the machinery. This closing lathe, model 4914, will be used to build our cannon. Before we can build this cannon, we're going to have to add some attachment on this lathe. We do not have a steady rest, which we'll have to build from scratch, and we don't have a taper attachment for this lathe, which we may have to build, depending on the taper length of the barrel of the cannon. So let's have a look at the project for a steady rest. So this is our blueprint to build our steady rest. The steady rest will be able to take a 6-inch diameter pipe or shaft. We had a piece of 1-inch plate that we were going to cut some pieces out of to build this steady rest. We took these blueprints and brought it to a local company who has a CNC plasma cutter which will cut our 1-inch thick plate, named Patrick Melanson Enterprises. And a big shout out to this company for cutting out our parts. So now all we have to do is mill all these parts to make them fit. So welcome back to the Cat Cave Machine Shop. So this will be the end of the video, and we hope you enjoyed the content, and we hope you enjoy content for future videos, which will be working on our steady rest. Thank you for watching.